switch gun. The switch gun is a clever, easy-to-use personal safety device made for people who want protection that's simple, flexible, and reliable. Rather than a single fixed tool, it features a smart modular system allowing you to switch quickly between non-lethal deterrents, safe practice settings, and bright signaling modes so you can respond the right way in different situations. Its ergonomic grip feels natural in your hand, while big, clear controls and status lights show the active mode and safety lock at a glance. Designed to be lightweight yet durable, the switch gun is comfortable to carry every day and built to handle real-world use. Multiple safety locks and intuitive controls reduce the chance of accidental activation, and the device includes easy instructions so anyone can learn to use it confidently. It also supports simple maintenance and accessory attachments like a small light or laser for better aim at night. Tanky Tanky is a portable, pressurized drink dispenser that lets you enjoy fresh, bubbly drinks anywhere you go. It's like having a mini bar you can carry to the beach, campsite, or backyard. With a 2-liter capacity, it can hold up to 12 servings of your favorite beverages, from cold brew coffee and mocktails to fresh juice or soda. Using small CO2 cartridges, Tanky keeps your drinks fizzy and perfectly chilled for hours. Its sleek, colorful design makes it look great while being practical and easy to use. Just fill it, pressurize it, and pour. No electricity or complicated setup needed. Built with leak-proof materials, it's perfect for outdoor fun like camping trips, picnics, or barbecues. Cleaning is simple, and the strong build ensures long-lasting use. Whether you're hosting friends or just enjoying a solo outing, Tanky adds a cool twist to how you serve and enjoy drinks outdoors. The Pocket Defibrillator. The Pocket Defibrillator is a smart and compact life-saving device designed to bring emergency heart care right to your fingertips. Unlike the large, heavy defibrillators usually found in hospitals, this small, lightweight version can easily fit in a bag, car, or even your pocket, making it perfect for quick response during sudden cardiac emergencies. It automatically checks the heart's rhythm and, if needed, delivers a gentle electric shock to restore a normal heartbeat. The device gives clear voice and visual instructions, so even someone without medical training can use it confidently in a crisis. Built for reliability, the Pocket Defibrillator is rechargeable, durable, and ideal for homes, offices, schools, or outdoor trips. Its fast setup and easy operation make it a valuable tool that could truly save lives when every second counts. Designed for modern living, this innovative gadget ensures that safety and medical help are always within reach. The solar-powered emergency beacon is a smart and reliable gadget made for adventurers, travelers, and rescue missions. It runs completely on sunlight, so you never have to worry about batteries or charging. During the day, it collects solar energy and stores it for use whenever you need it most. In an emergency, the beacon sends out bright flashing lights and a GPS signal that helps rescuers find your exact location quickly, even in remote mountains, forests, or out at sea. It's built tough, waterproof, shockproof, and able to work perfectly in all weather conditions. Some versions even include an SOS button or satellite connection for sending distress messages instantly. Lightweight and easy to carry, this beacon gives you peace of mind wherever your adventure takes you. Whether you're hiking through the wilderness, sailing across the ocean, or camping off the grid, this little device could save your life. UCO Cook It Camp Kitchen. The UCO Cook It Camp Kitchen is a portable, all-in-one cooking solution designed for anyone who loves camping, hiking, or spending time outdoors. It makes cooking on the go easy, convenient, and enjoyable, giving you the freedom to prepare hot meals, boil water, or make coffee wherever your adventure takes you. This clever camp kitchen combines a stove, cookware, and storage into one compact unit. It comes with pots, pans, utensils, and a burner, so you have everything you need to cook without carrying extra bulky gear. Its organized design keeps all your cooking essentials in one place, making packing, setup, and cleanup fast and simple. Built from durable, high-quality materials, the UCO Cook It Camp Kitchen is strong enough to handle outdoor conditions like wind, heat, and rough handling. Despite its sturdy design, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry in a backpack or vehicle. UCO Steak Light. The UCO Stake Light is a compact and versatile lighting solution designed for anyone who loves camping, hiking, or spending time outdoors. It makes illuminating your campsite, tent, or backyard easy and convenient, helping you enjoy your adventure even after the sun goes down. This clever light can be used in multiple ways. You can stake it into the ground, hang it inside a tent, or place it on a table, giving you bright, reliable light wherever you need it. Despite its small size, the stake light provides enough brightness for reading, cooking, or navigating around your campsite safely at night. Made from durable, high-quality materials, the UCO Stake Light is built to withstand wind, rain, and rough outdoor use, making it a dependable companion for every trip. Its lightweight and portable design fits easily into a backpack or camping gear, so it won't take up much space and is easy to carry anywhere. The Stake Light is simple to use, with easy controls to turn it on and off or adjust the brightness. VSSL Insulated Flask. The VSSL Insulated Flask is a strong and stylish water bottle made for people who love being outdoors. Whether you are hiking, camping, traveling, or just on the go, this flask keeps your drinks hot or cold for hours. It's perfect for sipping hot coffee in the morning or enjoying a cold drink during a long hike. Made from durable, BPA-free stainless steel, the VSSL flask is built to last. It is resistant to dents, scratches, and rough handling, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged on your adventures. The insulated design keeps your drinks at the right temperature, no matter how hot or cold it is outside. Its leak-proof cap ensures you can carry it in your backpack without spilling a drop. This flask is lightweight and easy to carry, fitting comfortably in backpacks, cup holders, or even your hand. Its sleek, modern design makes it look good while being very practical. The VSSL insulated flask is ideal for travelers, hikers, campers, or anyone who wants a reliable bottle for daily use. With it, you can always have a hot or cold drink ready, making your outdoor adventures more comfortable, refreshing, and enjoyable. Wildland Star Hub. The Wildland Star Hub tent is a durable, easy-to-set-up shelter designed for outdoor adventures in cold or challenging conditions. Its unique hub frame design lets you quickly unfold and deploy the tent, making it perfect for winter camping, ice fishing, or any situation where fast setup is important. Made from thick 450D thermal fabric with a black PU coating and 90 gauss per printer polyfill insulation, the tent keeps the interior warm and reduces condensation. The optional floor is made from heavy-duty PE material, giving extra protection and insulation from the cold ground. Measuring approximately 277 x 291 x 207 centimeters, the Star Hub provides enough space for 4 to 6 people or a combination of campers and gear. The tent's strong hub poles and insulated walls make it capable of handling tough weather, from cold winds to snow, while its quick deployment system saves time and effort. Winterwell Iron Stove. The Winterwell Iron Stove is a strong and reliable wood-burning stove designed for campers, hikers, and anyone who spends time outdoors. It provides both warmth and cooking ability, making it perfect for tents, cabins, or any camping adventure. This stove ensures your nights stay cozy and your meals stay hot, even in chilly weather. XenoNest. XenoNest is a smart and futuristic home designed to blend technology, comfort, and modern style in one compact space. Built with innovation in mind, this intelligent living unit offers everything you need for a high-tech lifestyle, from energy-efficient systems to automated controls that make everyday life easier and smarter. Every corner of XenoNest is crafted for convenience, with features like climate control, adaptive lighting, voice-activated devices, and built-in AI that learns your habits to keep your environment perfectly balanced. Its sleek design and space-saving layout make it ideal for both urban and off-grid living. Whether you want a minimal modern home, a mobile smart pod, or an eco-friendly living solution, XenoNest delivers it all with elegance. It redefines what it means to live comfortably in the future, merging sustainability and smart innovation into one beautiful structure. With XenoNest, your home doesn't just shelter you, it understands you. X-Trek. The X-Trek is an exciting electric adventure bike made for people who love to explore new paths and enjoy the thrill of off-road rides. It's built with a strong, lightweight frame and a powerful electric motor that gives smooth and instant acceleration. Whether you're climbing steep hills, crossing muddy trails, or cruising through forests, the X-Trek handles it all with ease. Its advanced suspension and tough tires make every ride stable and comfortable, no matter how rough the terrain gets. The long-lasting battery lets you travel farther without worrying about frequent charging, so your adventure never has to stop. A digital display keeps you updated on speed, battery life, and distance, while bright LED lights ensure safety during night rides. Stylish, eco-friendly, and built for adventure, the X-Trek combines performance, comfort, and technology perfectly. It's the ideal ride for explorers, nature lovers, and thrill seekers who want power and freedom in every journey.